Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use this product called applique freezer paper for transferring embroidery designs. This is the bee's knees. I am so thrilled to have found this technique. You basically can take a pattern like this. This is a printed version, but I have a digital version of this as well. And using the freezer paper, you can transfer your pattern directly onto fabric. And it literally takes about 5 minutes to do. I really like this technique. It is a serious time saver, and I think the quality of my product, my embroidered product at the end, will be much better. Now, freezer paper is a magical thing. If you've never seen it before, it's basically plain paper, but they have applied wax to one side of it. You used to be able to get this quite easily in the grocery store. Lately, not so much. This is the very first image that I did transfer using this freezer paper method. As you can see, it is very precise, and the detail is all there. It's amazing actually how well it turned out. I was very pleased with my very first attempt. I'm at my ironing board now, and my paper is ready to be ironed on, as well as my fabric. I have made it the right size, at the 8.5 by 11. I'm going to turn on my steam, and I'm going to just steam this again really flat. And then I'm going to turn off the steam on my iron. I'm going to take my freezer paper and I'm going to put it onto the fabric, wax side facing the fabric. And I'm going to iron this on here. So now I'm going to iron this on. And what I want to make sure is that the edges are very well attached to the fabric. You don't want any pieces coming up or any gaps, because it'll just jam up your printer. So try see how that is. That's pretty good. I think I'm a little off here, so what I'm going to do is go back and use my rotary and trim the edges. Now I'm on my computer here, and what I need to do is change the transparency of the image. I don't want to do straight black, so I want to make it about 50% so that it shows up gray on my fabric. Alright, here's my handy dandy little printer. I'm loading my fabric, and the thing you need to make sure is that you load it in properly, otherwise it won't print on the fabric, it'll print on the paper. So for my printer, I need to load it so that the fabric is facing down. I hit print, and here comes my piece of fabric with the image printed right onto it. I'm now ready for the next step, which is to remove the paper and set up my frame. Look at that, everyone. It is amazing. It took literally 10 seconds to print this, and the image is absolutely perfect. It's the right size. All I need to do now is add some interfacing to the back. After, of course, I remove my freezer paper, just like that, and there's my image. And it is permanent. You cannot remove this with anything. And once I iron the interfacing on any ink, the heat will help set that ink in there. So a couple of comments on reusing the freezer paper. So I did this one twice. This sheet I've used twice for 2 different projects. I don't believe I'll use it for a third. I've noticed that it's picked up quite a bit of lint and stuff from the fabrics. So I think I will call it 2 per sheet that you can use for the transfers, which is not bad considering the package has 50 sheets in it, so that's basically 100. I've used both cotton and calico with success with my printer. Good luck as you explore this technique.